Oh my
Oh my,
god.
that was loud.
Ocean water?
My friend said the ocean water is good. Thanks, love.
What are you saying thanks for?
For getting me something.
I need to say thanks. I got more to eat this time. Supersonic bacon double cheeseburger with tater tots. At 11 o'clock at night.
He just had fried chicken. Stop! No! Stop! Don't look at it, close your eyes! Jared, cut that part out. Just stop! Stop, stop. Oh. Jared, stop! Oh, stop! I was constipated. It's 11:11, make a wish! Do you see how abusive he is?
Yeah, I'm very abusive. So I was the one constantly clawing me. Look, right there.
Was that me?
From her.
When?
Right here. From her. On my side, from her, on my neck. Her.
He's lying.
Who's the abusive one? What did I hurt?
My boob.
So cushy, nothing can hurt them. I'm good, how are you?
Good. Look at her. Can I drink some?
Of course.
Oh, it's my hair.
My God damn, I knew that didn't happen.
Stop, don't say that.
Sorry.
Ooh, that is good.
My tubby ass got some tater tots. Your supersonic bacon double cheeseburger. Yeah.
The Diet Coke's just gonna flush all the calories away. Can I have a bite of your cheeseburger?
Hello? Da.
I haven't had a cheeseburger in a year. Wow. Focus on the freaking burger.
What's your profanity?
Okay. Whoa.
A juicy bite.
That was great.
Too hot or cold?
You're hot.
You're hot.
Obviously, you're hot.
You're hot. Look at you.
This doesn't really show anything.
Just take it off.
I don't have a bra on.
So? Give me a fry. I got 2 fries. Have you ever seen what's that show called? With the EMCC players, the community college?
Big baller brand?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, it's a football show. Last Chance U.
He thinks he looks like this.
I'm sure you've all seen Last Chance U.
I look more like Mississippi Slim than he does. Isn't he hot?
The frozen lemonade I was expecting was ones that you scoop out, like actually frozen cream.
Oh, like Italian ice.
Yeah. The cheese.
Double patties,
There's the burger.
bacon, tomato, lettuce.
Cheese. Spare coochie ma'am.
He's been saying that all day, and I didn't know where it was from.
And you can't forget the buns. Ain't no burger without buns. Nothing better. He's like Puss Malone from behind. Doing the
He does!
green shirt. Some of this dude does not look like Post Malone from behind.
But he needs to get a full...
Dude in the far left. Post Malone. Have your autograph? Oh.
Oh.
What you doing, little mama?